Ever heard of the pattern day trading PDT rule and wondered why some traders get flagged by their brokers? If you're trading stocks or options frequently, this rule can seriously affect how you trade. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what the PDT rule is, who it applies to, and how you can trade smart without getting stuck. The PDT rule is a US regulation from FINRA. It says, if you execute 4 or more day trades within 5 business days in a margin account, you're considered a pattern day trader. Once flagged, you must maintain at least $25,000 in your account to keep day trading. If your account falls below that, your broker will restrict your trading. No more buying and selling the same stock or option in a single day until you top up your balance. Key takeaway. It's not about how much you make, it's about the number of day trades in a short period. The PDT rule applies only to margin accounts, not cash accounts. So, if you're trading with a cash account, you won't get flagged, but you'll still need to follow settlement rules, meaning you can't reuse funds immediately after selling a stock. For beginners, this is huge. Many new traders open a margin account without knowing the rule, and suddenly hit the $25,000 requirement. 1. Use a cash account instead of a margin account. You can still trade, just a little slower. 2. Keep track of your day trades. Know how many you've done in the last 5 days. 3. Consider swing trading. Hold positions overnight instead of trying to scalp every move. 4. Fund your account with $25,000 plus if you want to day trade freely. Remember, the PDT rule exists to protect retail traders from overtrading and taking excessive risks. Even if you have $25,000, don't abuse it. Day trading is risky and losses can add up fast. Focus on high probability setups, solid risk management, and disciplined trading. The rule is just one piece of the puzzle. So now you know what the pattern day trading rule is and how to stay compliant. If you've ever been flagged or want to avoid it, drop a comment below and share your experience. And if you want more beginner-friendly trading tips and daily setups, sign up for our free newsletter at ITeachStocks.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more actionable trading strategies.